should say sorry, even if it's not intentional, even if it was not policy. Okay lang yun sa akin, pero yung admission of guilt, unang lit-lit ko nun, paano ko i-admit? Hindi ko na maalam. I think, well, William Shakespeare, as usual, said it best, the evil that men do lives after them. The good is oft interred with their bones. And if that was true for Julius Caesar, it's certainly true for what we're talking about. Dahil kung meron nagagalit, marami naman nagpapasalamat din. I have all sorts of letters. I have amazing testimonies of my father's kindness sa lahat ng mga taga-Mindanao. Halimbawa, hindi naman Ilocano lahat. Meron naman nagsasabi, hanggang ngayon, pinakapakinabangan pa raw nila yung infrastructure, yung mga roads, yung mga bridges. Tapos yung iba naman, yung mga magsasakang group. Yung irigasyon, bulok na raw ngayon. Pero nung panahon daw ng tatay ko, buhay na buhay at lahat ng mga magsasaka, nakikinabang. Yung libreng high school, study now, pay later. I still keep meeting scholars.
That's a given. I mean, even the Supreme Court.
My point is that I think we should listen to each other. This is becoming a very, very dangerous procedure. What's going on in the world, that outliers and those who haven't any access to media, that don't have any voice, those stuck in the mountains of Ilocos and the Cordillera, parang hindi naman tayo nakikinig sa kanila. Makinig rin tayo.
Okay, I mean, you have said, I'm trying to regain my train of thought, I mean, the Supreme Court no less has said that Marcos was neither pure good or pure evil. That was part of the decision by one of the justices, which I have yet to get a copy of it. But I think before we go to a quick break, you said your father has done good things. I think that's not being debated on. But when he was ousted in 1986, one of the biggest issues, and I'd have to say this right now, is that he was a plunderer. And this has not been addressed, I think, by your family. I mean, this does not diminish the sins of other presidents, but we are talking specifically about your father. Do you consider him, clearly you're governor, you're much aware of history. Looking back, do you consider that to be true?
No. And we're not setting it aside. We're not rewriting history. We're not changing the truth. The cases continue to be pending. Andiyan pa rin sila. We continue to fight them in court. We are still defending ourselves and defending his memory. But in the end, the courts will once again decide, ito, libing lang, katahimikan lang, kapayapaan. Yung mga tungkol sa iba't iba pang kaso, tuloy-tuloy yan. At ilalaban namin sa korte at kung ano-ano na ebidensya na kinakailangan, ipakita natin. All of this will continue. Ito libing lang. Yun lang naman ang pinag-uusapan sa ngayon. And the Supreme Court was very clear on that. That in fact they were ruling on a human being who was neither white or black, who was not completely perfect perhaps, but in the end had an absolute right to be buried in the libingan ng mga bayan.